Welcome, viewers, to a momentous occasion in the tech world, the unboxing of the highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro. As a tech enthusiast, I've been eagerly waiting to get my hands on this cutting-edge device. Today, we embark on a journey together to explore the wonders that await inside. Behold, the Apple Vision Pro, a true marvel of innovation and design. Let's delve deeper into what makes this device a game-changer in the world of technology. From its stunning retina display to its powerful A-series chip, every aspect of the Apple Vision Pro exudes excellence. But it's not just about the specs, it's about the experience it offers. As I navigate through the features of the Apple Vision Pro, I can't help but be impressed by the level of detail and thought that has gone into its creation. It's not just a device. It's a gateway to a whole new world of possibilities. Whether you're a creative professional seeking a powerful tool for your craft or a tech aficionado looking to stay at the forefront of innovation, the Apple Vision Pro promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. In conclusion, the Apple Vision Pro is more than just a product. It's a statement of excellence, a testament to Apple's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology. Join me on this journey as we explore the endless potential of the Apple Vision Pro. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and embrace the vision of tomorrow with the Apple Vision Pro.